Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can check and update our Android version. Let's get started. First of all, go to your settings app on your phone. Then you have to scroll down until you find about phone, and it's right here, guys. Just click on it. Then you have to click on software information. And as you can see that this is my Android version. My Android version is Android 11, and we're going to go back to the previous menu. Then we have to click on software update to update this Android, and click on download and install. And wait guys, it's still unloading. Alright, as you can see that my software is up to date, so if we have to update this Android, we will get notification and the update option will appear right here. But since my software has been up to date, so I don't have to update this Android. Okay guys, and that's how we can update that's how we can check and update our Android version. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.